Greetings, Bowtie Guy 85 here, and I know what you're thinking. Oh my goodness, he's hardly wearing anything. What's going on here? Well, I'm about to get dressed in a new outfit that I had custom made not long after the New Year. It's actually a formal outfit, and I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. Or an unbagging, I should say. So, I haven't gotten a chance to show this off yet, or even wear it. This was supposed to be a new tux set to wear for choir performances. Well, that's not happening now because of the lockdown. But I'll tell you what is happening because of the lockdown. I've got tons of time to devote to new video material. And I'm actually planning a new channel, which I'm going to discuss later on. But I figured before I get around to that, why don't I show you guys the new outfit and let you watch me put it together. It's been a while since I've added anything to this channel, so I figured why not. So here we go. And I'm going to come in here a little closer so you can see the shirt and all of its finery. This is from from Men's Warehouse, like most of my custom pieces. And it is the Joseph Abood line. It's a nice white shirt. Oxford texture, and then you have the classic pleating here in the middle. It is a lay-down collar spread. I wanted something classic, kind of basic and traditional, because again, this was supposed to be for choir performances, so I didn't want anything that stood out too much, because I do need to try and match my fellow musicians. And then I've got some cufflinks here. I love these. They've got my initial on them, my last initial. You'll also notice that the shirt is monogrammed like all of my custom shirts. Okay, time to break out the tux. I also love, anytime I get anything custom, I get garment bags. It's great for traveling. Not that I ever travel that much, but it's nice to have. And these are really good ones. They're good for storing too. It keeps your things from getting wrinkled or preserving the fabrics. I'm just going to come in here and let you get a good look at this before I get dressed. It's a basic 2-button notch lapel, you know, nothing too fancy. I did go just a little wild on the lining here. You can see it's kind of a black paisley, and the way the light hits it, it kind of gives it a nice sheen, which I like. And then it's also has a little bit of a texture to it. It's a really fine line herringbone stripe. You really have to get close in on it to notice it. So I wanted it to have some character to it, some individuality, but I didn't want it to be so much so that it took away from the rest of the ensemble. And then of course you've got my name in here, which I love. I love showing that off. So here's the pants. Just your typical tux pant. It has the striping down the side and the waistline. I went ahead and had the shirt grippers added, so that's going to help keep my shirt tucked in. We need some suspenders, I believe, or braces as I like to call them. Nice black silk pair, traditional. Right. Since these pants are new, I like to leave my braces loose at first, so I get everything on. And we fasten everything. Then I can go back and adjust these to where I want them. I usually like to go up on the shoulder. Sometimes I go past the shoulder. One thing is you do want the clasps to come at the same height on both sides. Okay, looks good. I'm going to flip my collar up. and button the top. And I like to flip my collar down before I draw the tie up, because it's easier to flip down before you get the tie nice and tight. Not that you need a bow tying lesson. I've posted several of those before on my channel, but I'll let you watch me tie this real quick. Looks pretty good. That'll do. Before we zip the pants up, I'm going to give my shirt another little tug. Make sure it's perfectly tucked in. Now you could always do cummerbund with this as well, and I have both. Actually, normally I do a cummerbund for stage performances, but I thought the vest, it's good to have a vest to go with it anyways. And I have like a few vests, but they're kind of cheap and just like your basic kind of satin vest, like something you get from like a rental. So I wanted something a little nicer, and this one has the lining to match the rest of the tuxedo. And for what I'm doing with the new channel, I thought the vest would look nicer as well, because you may get some shots from behind, and I kind of just like the silhouette. I like the lines that it gives. So here's that. And the vest does make it without my watch and chain. Very nice. Okay. Time for the jacket. Nice. One thing about custom, everything fits perfectly, and you can just feel every garment caresses your body, and you can just feel the perfect fit. I would do a white handkerchief, but I want to try something different. I've got my red hanky here, because I want to add some color to this. The black and white can be monotonous sometimes. And then I've got a nice red flower pin as well to go with this. And a few minor adjustments here. I also need my shoes. These are patents I've had for a while. They're really old, so they're broken in nicely, so I can just kind of slip them on easily, and they are ready to go. And here you have it, my new tux. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. As always, like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And stay tuned for my new channel. It's going to be called Formal Fitness. I'm sure you can already imagine what that's going to be. I don't want to give out any spoilers, but I will be filming a lot of stuff for that channel this week. I don't know when I'm going to get around to posting any of that, but do be on the lookout. Till next time.